Want to find out how I got from that to this? Keep watching.
She got me in my feelings. Gotta be real with it.
What it is, yo? What's up? Hey y'all, so I'm back again with another video. So today we're featuring this Brazilian curly hair that I got from Nadula hair. I got a 18-inch frontal, a 18-inch bundle, a 20-inch bundle, and a 22-inch bundle. So with this hair, I basically just went ahead and combed it all out, and I decided I want to go for, you know, a different kind of look, because everybody wears curly hair curly, you know, but what about some wand curls? It looks more lit, more poppin', you know. So this hair is the bomb.com while it's curly, but I wanted to just try it out and see if it looked like wand curled, which the end result is banging. Okay, so I know you guys are going to ask me about the wand that I'm curling my hair with, and the wand is actually from a company called Irresistible Me, and it's basically a 8-in-1 curling wand. It actually has 8 different attachments, so you can achieve 8 different curls with the 8 different attachments, if that makes sense. I'll leave their information below as well. But like I said, this hair is the bomb.com alone by itself without having to do anything with it. When I do define the curls, it's just with water. I usually don't even use anything. As you can see, frontal is the bomb, bundles is the bomb, hair is just the bomb. Okay, so just continue watching to basically see how I achieved that look that I showed you guys in the beginning. If you guys enjoy videos like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next one.
You make me feel so good inside. I've always wanted a girl just like you.
I want your love.